Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming Beamng Drive is updated and that your target submod matches the game version. Once done, download the sub-archive and back up your vehicle and mods folders so you can revert if needed. Use 7-zip or WinRAR to inspect the archive. Extract only the mod folder into Documents/Beamng Drive/mods. This step ensures files land in the correct path. And why it matters: wrong paths mean the game won't detect the sub. You now enable mods in the launcher and fully restart Beamng Drive so the game rebuilds its mod cache. Next, either keep the sub as A, zip in mods for simplicity, or unpack it into the mods folder when you need to edit JBeam or textures. When tweaking values like mass, buoyancy, or spawn points, change one parameter at a time and save backups. This approach isolates issues and explains why incremental edits prevent crashes and unpredictable physics. You should spawn the sub on a serene water map and use slow motion camera to watch how it enters the water, how buoyancy responds, and where forces apply. Once you observe instability, tweak buoyancy, drag coefficients, and thruster force. Make incremental changes and restart the game between major edits so results are consistent. If the sub doesn't load or behaves erratically, inspect the console logs, disable other mods that may conflict, and if needed, restore your backup to recover a working baseline.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.